Welcome to Module 12, Pivot Prompting. This technique is about switching perspective mid-conversation. Instead of sticking with one way of thinking, you deliberately change the frame. It could mean shifting role, tone, or lens. Imagine turning a camera to catch a different angle. The subject is the same, but what you see becomes fresh and unexpected. Our learning goal in this module is to master pivoting. A pivot means changing direction on purpose, switching role, tone, or perspective. By making that shift, you spark new ideas, break repetitive loops, and often reveal insights you would never have reached by staying in a single frame of thought. The core idea of pivot prompting is that a pivot is simply a switch. You change the role, tone, or lens, and the AI shifts with you. Think of it like a courtroom. A lawyer challenges a witness to reveal new details. Or in a meeting, a devil's advocate pushes back to test assumptions. That switch in angle creates clarity and unlocks richer perspectives. Here's a creativity pivot. First, ask the AI to explain photosynthesis as a biology teacher, clear, factual, and structured. Then pivot. Retell it as a children's storyteller. Suddenly you get playful imagery and simple metaphors. The contrast doesn't just entertain, it makes the concept far easier to remember. Strategy pivots are incredibly useful. Start by asking, why will this plan succeed? Then pivot. Why might it fail? You immediately surface strengths and risks side by side. Another variation is to use roles. An investor highlights growth and profit, while a customer points out pain points or frustrations. The contrast between perspectives makes the final strategy much more balanced and resilient. Pivots get even stronger when combined with context prompting. Instead of asking the same question twice, reframe it in layers. First, outline the issue. Next, view it through a stakeholder's lens. Finally, pivot again into a trade-off analysis. Each layer deepens context. The pitfalls of pivot prompting are easy to spot. Random pivots feel like gimmicks and add no value. Too many pivots leave both you and the AI confused. And if you don't pull the insights together, you're left with scattered fragments. Remember, the purpose of a pivot is clarity, perspective, not chaos. To summarize, pivots are structured switches. By shifting role, tone, or lens, you refresh the conversation and uncover new insights. Your action step is to take one idea you're working on and test it under two different lenses. Notice how the pivot sharpens your thinking and improves the result.